I opened it. I expected angry rants about foster families, or maybe song lyrics. Instead, it was full of detailed observations about every family he'd lived with, written like some kind of scientific study. Day 3 with the Johnsons. Dad yelled at Mom about leaving dishes in the sink. He apologized later, but she didn't talk to him for 2 hours. They'll probably divorce within 2 years. Day 7 with the Petersons. They keep asking if I'm settling in okay, but what they really mean is, are you going to steal anything or burn the house down? Mom hides her jewelry box when I'm around. Day 12 with the Rodriguez's. They fight about money every night after they think I'm asleep. Foster care stipend isn't enough to cover what they thought it would. I'll be gone by the end of the month. He was keeping score, documenting every family's dysfunction like he was gathering evidence that no one actually wanted him. The entries got more cynical as they went on, like he was building a case against hope itself. The last entry was about us, dated 3 days ago. Day 3 with the Millers. They seem happy, but give it time. Nobody actually wants a broken 15-year-old with trust issues. Mom keeps trying to make conversation, and Dad bought me expensive headphones like that'll make me stay. They'll realize I'm too much work soon enough. I closed the notebook and felt my heart break a little. This kid wasn't running because